Tell everyone what you're thinking. Tell them what you're thinking. What's wrong with Marilyn? What's wrong with Marilyn? Ooh.
When he said that the brand we sell starts with the man, just told me that basically it starts with me.
You gonna be good?
Being ambitious, wanting to be successful.
You don't want to be bad on camera? No evidence? You were just crying. You were just faking a cry. Would you like to do it again? Would you like to fake your cry? Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness, there it is.
So, I just said this is going to take the time to try to accomplish more things off the field, and become business-oriented. I can't find the time to do it. You got to think about it.
Oh my goodness, the mama got it. Mama got your ooh. Do it. Ooh. 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 Oh my goodness. Mama got it. Mama got it on the tape.
We're gonna hold that over your head forever.
You're beautiful though, so you can ooh-weh. 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 You're the shape of Mama's lips. Look at her lips. They're the same. Ooh-weh. Except for mine aren't crying.